awareness camp was organized for final year students with the help of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and industrial visits were conducted for Mother Dairy for final year students. Industrial visits have also been conducted to NPTI, that is National Power Training Institute, Badarpur, for final year and pre-final year students. These were some of the works which were taken up by Mr. U.K. Rai. I am indeed grateful to him. Provide conducive environment to the students and faculty members. Quest for excellence is our hallmark. With an endeavor to achieve this, we strive hard to build up state-of-the-art infrastructure, digital classrooms, modern machinery and equipment. We have added and strengthened the following infrastructure in the last year. Almost there have been establishment of a fully digitized EduSet classroom where students can listen to the various courses which are being run at the hub center at DTU, that is Delhi Technological University, and they can have an online interaction with the professors. The computerization of the library with the e-Granthalaya software, it is in progress, which will provide a very transparent, efficient system to the students for the issue and return. We have also established we are in the process of in fact establishing a medical room for the students, and various other things are in the pipeline. As far as PWD is concerned, they have provided a great help in the complete upliftment of the institute infrastructure. To just mention a few, they have taken up the renovation of our e-reading room, upgradation of EduSet room, renovation of washrooms, and they have provided a complete aesthetic facelift to the library. I am extremely thankful to the PWD electrical and civil authorities, especially to Mr. Keskar, Executive Engineer, Mr. Singhal, Assistant Engineer, for having number of meetings and understanding our requirements. Keeping our open space and gardens in a very neat and tidy manner, besides beautifying them in the best possible manner, is the order of the day. In line with this, with the help of the Department of Horticulture, Government of Delhi, we have taken up the work of landscaping and at the right of the entrance and inside gardens to give a very, very aesthetic look. At this juncture, my sincere appreciation goes to PWD Horticulture, especially Mr. Harpal Singh, for providing utmost support and changing the complete look of the building. Training programs for faculty members, short-term courses conducted at Ambedkar Polytechnic. In order to overhaul the knowledge of all faculty members, this institute last year itself has conducted 2 training programs on different disciplines at different spells of time in collaboration with NITTR Chandigarh, various other faculty development programs. In order to keep the faculty abreast with the latest and emerging areas of technology, maximum faculty members of this institute were deputed for more than 15 faculty development programs. For this, my heartfelt thanks goes to Shri Bobin Joseph, Staff Development Officer, for his timely support and timely action to get our faculty members trained for upgrading their knowledge and subsequent elevation of their career. Scholarships by Delhi government. In order to encourage and pay more attention on to the students coming from weaker section of the society, with the help of Department of Welfare, SC, ST, OBC and Minority, Institute has been dispersing various scholarships. Besides this, Institute has also been offering stationery and other raw materials to the students coming from SC, ST community, and for this, I give my heartfelt thanks to Shri Satish Kumar and Shri Sambit Mistry for their continued support. Merit cum means scholarships by Department of Training and Technical Education. The institute also provides merit cum means scholarships to the students of all the programs for their excellent academic performance. In this direction, institute has dispersed scholarships to the tune of almost 1,50,000 to the various students. For this, I express my profound gratitude to Mr. Dasgiri. His work has been simply exemplary. Coming down to the budget issued by Department of Training and Technical Education, Government of Delhi, I wish to submit that Institute was allocated a budget of almost 3 crores in the non-planned head and almost 0.5 crores in the planned head. With a great amount of satisfaction, I would like to mention that we could spend almost 100% budget in the year 2011-12, and to be very precise, we could spend 99.5% budget for the planned head and almost 98% in the non-planned head. This would not have been possible without the support of Mrs. Neeru Mehta, Purchase Coordinator, Shri P.K. Goyal, Mr. Satya, Mr. Iqbal, and all other in charges. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We have always adopted a holistic approach for the grooming of the students to make them as multifaceted personality so that they can face the growing challenges of the industry and contribute significantly. With a view to achieve these, various curricular, co-curricular, extracurricular activities are organized throughout the year, and industrial visits, as I have already mentioned, in order to keep the students abreast with the latest technological developments in the industry and in order to bridge the gap between industry and academia, the Institute has taken numerous initiatives to conduct several industrial visits. Sports Day. Total personality development is our hallmark. As a part of this concerted drive, we had organized our annual sports meet at Mayur Vihar Sports Complex on 12th of March, in which students had participated in various events which were running, long jump, high jump, javelin throw, shot put, with full zeal, zest and enthusiasm. TECOIS, Technical Education Community for Outreaching for technique that we can develop them as the best technocrats. On the other side, we are acutely concerned socially. To imbibe a spirit of concern, TECOIS, a scheme which has come from the Delhi government, it has been successfully implemented, and I am very proud to mention that with the help of Shri A.D. Vashisht, our project officer, we could successfully complete the TECOIS scheme. Similarly, there is another program which is TASK, which comes from the Bhagidari cell of the Office of the Chief Minister, where we have our... I would like to thank the TASK committee members and Mr. Bambiwal and Mr. Iqbal for their excellent work for utilizing the 100% budget for carrying out the minor repairs which were extremely urgent in nature. Eco Club. In order to sensitize our students for various environmental issues, we have incepted the Eco Club,